Hello friends, welcome back to next session of colloidal dispersion part 2. Myself Ambore Sandeep, working as an assistant professor in D.K. Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Loha Nanded. Today's first question is, the determination of gold number of protective colloid, the endpoint can be indicated by A. Measuring the charge in particular size, B. Noting sedimentation volume of gold, C. Observing of the precipitate, and lastly, observing the color change. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is endpoint can be indicated by observing color change. Next question. The semi-permeable membrane used in hemodialysis is A. Cellophane, B. Cellulose acetate, C. Polyethylene, and D. Polyvinyl acetate. This is a simple question. You have to find out from what kind of material semi-permeable membrane in hemodialysis is prepared or made. The correct answer is cellophane. Moving to the next question. The stability of acacia in water is due to A. Formation of micelle, B. Hydration of solids, C. Lowering interfacial tension, and D. Presence of electrical charge. The correct answer is hydration of solids. Means stability of acacia in water is due to hydration of solids. Next question. The molecular weight of dispersed solids in a colloidal system can be determined by using an instrument A. Ultracentrifuge, B. Ultrafilters, C. Ultramicroscope, and D. Zetameter. The correct answer is ultracentrifuge, which can be used for determination of molecular weight. Going to the next question. When the size of particle is less than 1 nanometer, then it is called colloidal dispersion, suspension, emulsion, or molecular dispersion. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is molecular dispersion. When the particle size is less than 1 nanometer, that type of system is considered under molecular dispersion type. Next, the movement of colloidal particles through a liquid under influence of electrical field is called electroosmosis, electrochemical reaction, electrophoresis, or electrodialysis. And the correct answer is electrophoresis. See, in electrophoresis, the movement of colloidal particles or solid particles occurs. But in case of electroosmosis, movement of solvent occurs from low concentration to high concentration. Next question. The potential difference developed when particles settle under influence of gravity is called streaming potential, oxidation potential, secondary minimum, or sedimentation potential. The correct answer is sedimentation potential. Next question. When distance between particles are large, the particles experience attractive force and aggregation are formed is known as primary minimum, potential barrier, secondary minimum, or interpretation. And the correct answer is secondary minimum. Next question. According to School's-Hallday rule, the precipitate power increases rapidly with A. The presence of valency or charge on ions, B. Lowering in the interfacial tension, C. Decrease the freezing point, D. Elevation in boiling point. And the correct answer is presence of valence or charge on ions. Next question. When a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, the path of light gets illuminated. This phenomena is known as option A, Brownian movement, B, diffusion, C, Tyndall effect, and last D, Dohna effect. This is a simple question. You should know that. The correct answer is Tyndall effect. When beam of light passes through colloidal solution, it causes illumination. Ultimately results to Tyndall effect. Next question. The protective ability of colloids is measured as zeta potential, gold number, streaming potential, or none of the above. We have to find out protective colloid ability of colloids, and it is measured by gold number. Next question. If the gold number is less, then the protective action will be A, more, B, less, C, half, D, 0. You have to find out the correlation between gold number and its protective action. And the correct answer is more. Means if the gold number is decreased, ultimately its protective action will be increased. It will be more. Moving to the next question. In a soul, the disperse phase and dispersion medium are liquid and liquid, solid and liquid, solid and solid, and liquid and gas. The correct answer is solid and liquid. In soul, solid act as a disperse phase, whereas this liquid act as a dispersion media. Moving to the next question. Targeting of drugs to a specific organs can be achieved by liposomes, emulsion, syrup, suspension. And the correct answer is liposomes. Liposomes are easy to target to specific organs. Next question. The following statement is true for colloidal dispersion. We have to find out the true statement. First one, show Tyndall effect, does not scatter the light, diffusion rate is rapid, last, does not show Brownian motion. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is show Tyndall effect. As we all know, colloidal dispersion show Tyndall effect by illuminating the path through which beam of light is passed. In dash colloids, dispersed particles have greater affinity to dispersion medium. Options are lipophobic colloids, B, lipophilic colloids, C, association colloids, and D, molecular colloids. And the correct answer is lipophilic colloids. Next question. Dispersion of rubber or polystyrene in benzene or ethyl methyl ketone is referred as hydrophobic colloid, lipophilic colloid, lipophobic colloid, or hydrophobic colloid. The question is, we have to find out when dispersion of rubber or polystyrene is dissolved or dispersed in benzene or ethyl methyl ketone, that colloid is prepared is lipophilic in nature. That's why the correct answer is lipophilic colloids. Moving to the next question. Lipophobic colloidal can be prepared by. Lipophobic colloids can be prepared by option A, chemical method, B, peptidation method, C, electric arc method, and last D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Means this lipophobic colloids can be prepared by chemical, peptidation, and electrical arc method. Next question. A dash is a mixture in which one substance of microscopically dispersed insoluble particles is suspended through another substance. Options are suspension, colloid, emulsion, and none of the above. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is colloid. Colloid is a mixture in which one substance of microscopically dispersed insoluble particles is suspended through another substance. Next, few colloids are translucent because of A, splitting effect, B, Tyndall effect, C. Scattering, D. None of the above. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is Tyndall effect. Due to this Tyndall effect, the colloids are translucent in nature. The molecule in a molecular dispersion phase have size less than 10 nanometer, more than 1 nanometer, less than 1 nanometer, more than 10 nanometer. We have to find out the particle size in molecular dispersion, and it is less than 1 nanometer. Next, the dash colloid have strong attraction towards solvent. A. Lyophilic, B. Lyophobic, C. Associated, and D. None of the above. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is lyophilic. As we know that lyophilic, lyo means solvent, philic means attractive. Ultimately, these lyophilic colloids have strong attraction towards solvent. And this phobic means hating or repelling. Moving to the next question. Dash is directly proportional to the weight of lyophilic colloid. Options are A. Solubility, B. Turbidity, C. Density, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is turbidity. Turbidity is directly proportional to the weight of lyophilic colloids. Next question. Dash is the method of combining negatively and positively charged hydrophilic colloids. Options are peptidation, flocculation, coagulation, and coacervation. And the correct answer is coagulation. Last question. The phenomena which involves separation of macromolecular solutions into two liquid layers is called as A. Peptidation, B. Flocculation, C. Coagulation, and D. Coacervation. Actually, the numbering that is quite wrong. And the correct answer is coacervation. See, this coacervation is the phenomena in which separation of macromolecular solutions into two liquid layers is called as coacervation. Thank you for going through this video. And if you like this content, please subscribe and press this bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.